This man built his dream sim racing rig completely from scratch, using nothing but raw materials, a few tools, and a vision. Watch as he tightens the final bolts, slides the seat into place, and fires it up for the very first time. The sound of the frame settling, the buttons clicking, and the wheel spinning is unbelievably satisfying. Like and subscribe in the next 3 seconds.
Or you will find this spider in your bed tonight.
Now turn up your volume and enjoy the masterpiece come to life.